Good morning, good evening, my brother and sister. Once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, my brother and sister, today is December 9, 2024. It's Monday. I don't have work today. It's my day off. So, it's already almost 8 a.m. now here in Dubai, UAE. I'll show you my updated physique this December 9, 2024. I don't have anything in my stomach, my brother and sister. So I didn't eat anything. So my stomach is empty. So let's check what my physique look like now. Let's go. So I'll do a front, side and back shot. Then we do the 7 mandatory pose of bodybuilding. I weigh in yesterday. My weight now is around 77, 78 kilo. So I'm a little bit bigger. Let's go. So first, we do a front shot. Okay, front shot. When I'm posing my body sister, I controlling the breathing so I can showcase all of my guts and my muscle in the body. So this is my front shot. Then on the side. Up. Side. Then front again. Then I will do now the 7 mandatory poses of bodybuilding. So we do front, side and back shot. So let's go. First front double bicep. Lat spread. Side chest. You see now my hamstring, my one sister, is much improved now since last year. So side chest. Side tricep. Back shot. Back double bicep. Lat spread. Next, abdominal and thigh. plus most muscular. So that's it, my band sister. My updated physique, December 9, 2024. It's Monday. I don't have work today, my band sister. So I will eat now my first meal, my breakfast. Before I go, my band sister, don't forget to subscribe and push the notification bell so you'll also be updated to my new uploaded video to my YouTube channel. And also you can share and like my video, my band sister. So that's it for today, my bad sister. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will see you again, my bad sister, and have a good day and have a good night. I'll keep on training. I'm a little bit bigger today. Maybe I increased around 3 kilo. My weight is around 77, 78 kilo. That's why we are big. So I'll see you again, my bad sister. Have a good day and have a good night. Keep on training. Peace.